that's why I said, like, well, they may actually work it out.
Raider's burying his new bone that Jerry gave him. He's using his nose to bury the bone.
You're right.
Now, how you going to remember where it is there, Raider, huh?
Look at the mound he's making.
I know, he's making a big mound on top of his bone. That's too cute. Where's your bone, Raider? Look at that face. He's sneezing the dirt out of his nose. I think you got enough dirt over your bone, Raider. I think it's getting hazardous to your health. He sneezes and sand's coming out his nostrils. Oh, God. And it's all your fault my dog's going to die from dirt inhalation.